Purchasing a holiday let represents one of the most significant financial commitments for many investors. Yet, decisions should not be based on overly optimistic rental forecasts or emotional impulses. In this video, we will carefully analyse a fictional holiday let opportunity priced at £325,000 in Cornwall. Our focus will be on the assumptions, the potential risks, relevant numbers, and the critical questions every investor must consider before making an offer. Let's take a closer look at our fictional Cornwall cottage. This attractive detached property is listed for £325,000 and is situated in an area that is ideal for tapping into the holiday let market, especially given Cornwall's immense appeal to tourists. The striking cliffs and scenic coastal routes nearby draw considerable visitor interest, making this cottage an enticing prospect for holiday rentals. Throughout this section, we will highlight the appealing exterior alongside the warm interior finishes of the cottage. Moving forward, let's dive into the numbers. We begin with our purchase price of £325,000 and note that a typical deposit would be about 25%, leading to a mortgage requirement of approximately £243,750. Next, we will look at the expected nightly rate. Based on similar properties in the area, let's assume an average occupancy rate of approximately 60%. It's also important to evaluate various management models while keeping running costs in mind. These assumptions are the foundation of our analysis. The accuracy of these figures will shape our financial outlook. It's essential to remember that gross bookings do not directly correlate with successful investments. Consider the variety of costs that need to be covered: cleaning, utilities, insurance, maintenance, management fees, platform fees, and mortgage costs. These expenses can significantly diminish overall profitability. It's a common mistake for investors to focus solely on top-line figures without weighing in on the costs that affect the bottom line. Now, let's discuss the concept of stress testing. Every investment should undergo stress testing to anticipate less favourable scenarios. For instance, what if occupancy drops to 40% rather than the projected 60%? Or what occurs if there's an increase in mortgage costs due to rising interest rates? Understanding these scenarios is vital to demonstrate how previously attractive investments may become marginal when conditions change. We must stress the importance of validating assumptions with evidence whenever possible. Examples of reliable evidence can include estate agent particulars, mortgage illustrations, management quotes, comparable listings, and estimates of running costs. Stronger evidence leads to more informed investment decisions. Before making an offer, it's paramount to have a thorough due diligence checklist. You might ask, are the income assumptions realistic? Have all operating costs been accounted for? What local regulations or restrictions could influence your investment? Have you stress tested your financing options? What critical pieces of evidence are still needed? A structured approach to questioning is invaluable in this regard. Successful investors extend their questioning beyond simply asking, will this yield profit? They focus on, what assumptions am I relying on? Which of those assumptions are supported by concrete evidence? What still needs to be verified? How might the situation change if operating conditions become less favourable? This analytical framework prepares you to make well-reasoned decision-making processes. In summary, the key takeaways from our discussion are: ensure that holiday let investing is backed by evidence, prioritise financial modelling before making offers, consistently challenge your underlying assumptions, carry out thorough stress testing, seek professional advice when necessary. Regardless of whether you're examining your first holiday let or expanding your existing portfolio, dedicating time to comprehend the numbers before committing is essential. Always run the calculations before you purchase. If you need more holiday let calculators, guides, and deal checking tools, visit holidayletinvestor.co.uk